17 bikes for today. Most of these builds are kids' bikes. The adults probably be buying there during the summertime. But as of right now, seems like the kids are being very occupied. They should really take care of the rack. All of these are pre-existing to replenish the bike rack with, and then to replenish those, these will be taking the place of the replenishment place, and then these will be taking the old design mountain bikes. This is the new Schwinn, the answer to the Ozark. Schwinn came out with their design. This is brand new, just came out. I do believe that this is the answer to the Ozark. And the Ozark already came out with an electric design, electric motor. Ozark Trail, electric fat tire bike. And then here's the other designs, non-electric fat tire bikes. And this one here is just I think this one's just a standard Explorer flat bar L. But the Ozark seems to be taking the internet, or taking the retail bike level purchases to a whole nother level. But Schwinn has just came out with an answer for their answer. At least that's what that looks like. New inventory to be added into supply. Disc brakes. Well, we are ready for you, children. Come get your bikes. And adults, there's your electric bikes right there. We'll keep it manual.